2017 DUSA 1-cent coin. A penny from 2017 D isn't that just, well, worth a penny, and for the vast majority of these coins, you'd be absolutely right. Billions of them were minted, and they're designed for everyday transactions. However, like so many modern coins, there's always a possibility of something special, something that makes a seemingly ordinary coin extraordinary. We're talking about rare varieties, minting errors, and even some unique circumstances that can turn a 1-cent coin into a multi-dollar, or even multi-hundred-dollar, collectible. So, get ready to grab your magnifying glass, because we're going to dive into the world of the 2017 D Lincoln cent. We'll explore its background, what makes some of them valuable, how to spot those elusive treasures, and we'll even peek at some surprising auction results that might just inspire you to start checking your pockets. Let's quickly refamiliarize ourselves with this common coin. The 2017 D Lincoln cent, like all pennies since 2010, features the Union Shield design on its reverse. This shield symbolizes unity and the strength of the nation, with 13 vertical stripes representing the original states and e pluribus unum out of many, one inscribed on a banner. On the obverse, we have the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, a design that has graced our smallest denomination for over a century, created by Victor David Brenner. So, with billions of these produced, what could possibly make one valuable? The answer, as many experienced collectors know, often lies in the subtle imperfections and deviations from the intended design, what we call varieties and errors. For modern pennies, particularly those minted after 2000, two of the most common and sought-after anomalies are doubled die errors and die chips or die breaks. A doubled die occurs when the coin die itself is struck multiple times at slightly different angles during its creation, resulting in a subtle, duplicated image on the coin. For the 2017 D cent, collectors are always on the lookout for doubling in the date, the word liberty, and the motto "In God We Trust." This often requires a strong magnifying glass to detect. Die chips or die breaks, on the other hand, are literal pieces of the coin die that have broken off due to stress or wear. When the die strikes a planchette, the blank coin, the area where the chip occurred will appear raised on the coin, as if a tiny piece of metal is sticking out. These can be quite distinctive and are often found in specific areas, like between letters or near the rim. While there isn't a universally recognized, high-value 2017 D doubled die as prominent as some from other years, that doesn't mean they don't exist. New varieties are discovered all the time. However, one of the more interesting and consistently valuable finds for 2017 D pennies often revolves around die chips and die breaks, especially in unique or noticeable locations. One of the more well-known varieties for the 2017 D Denver Mint is a specific die chip on the reverse, sometimes referred to as a cut or a blob if it's large enough. These typically occur on the Union Shield or near the lettering. So, how do you find these hidden gems in your change? Get your gear. A good 10x or 15x magnifying loupe is essential. Good lighting is also key, natural light or a bright, focused lamp. Step 2, start searching. Check your coin rolls, your change jar, or any 2017 pennies you come across. What to look for and where? Obverse, scrutinize the date 2017, the word liberty, and In God We Trust for any signs of doubling. Look for die chips near Lincoln's bust, or anywhere on the lettering. Reverse, examine the Union Shield very carefully. Look for raised blobs or irregular metal formations, these are prime spots for die chips or minor cuts. Also, check the motto E pluribus unum and 1 cent for any signs of doubling or die breaks. Check the mint mark. The 2017 D cents were minted in Philadelphia No Mint Mark and Denver D Mint Mark. Both can potentially have errors, but some specific die chips might be more common on one mint's production. Once you think you've found something, the coin's condition becomes paramount. For a modern coin like the 2017 cent, minor errors might not add much value if the coin is heavily circulated, scratched, or damaged. Collectors want the best possible examples. Professional coin grading services like PCGS and NGC will assess the coin's condition, assigning a grade from 1 to 70. A higher grade, especially in the mint state MS range, dramatically increases value. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, auction results. While you might not retire on a 2017 penny, some have certainly brought a nice premium. Auction Showcase 1, a common type of find, a 2017 D Lincoln cent with a noticeable die chip on the reverse, particularly on the Union Shield or within the lettering, can easily sell for 10 to 50 in an uncirculated or lightly circulated condition. If it's professionally graded in a high mint state, e.g. MS66 or MS67, that price can jump to 75 to 150 or more. It all depends on the prominence of the chip and the overall eye appeal. Auction Showcase 2, what about something truly rare while not a widespread variety, an especially strong doubled die obverse DDO on a 2017 penny, if discovered and authenticated, could command a significant price. We're talking about uncirculated examples, professionally graded at MS67 red or higher, potentially selling for several $100s, possibly $300 to $600 plus. These are the holy grail finds that make collectors meticulously scrutinize every detail. It's important to remember that the market for coin errors and varieties can fluctuate. Rarity, demand, and the specific characteristics of the error all play a role, but these auction results clearly demonstrate that even a modern, 1-cent coin can hold unexpected value. So, the next time you empty your pockets, don't just toss those pennies aside. Take a moment, grab your loupe, and inspect those 2017 Lincoln cents. You might just be holding a small piece of numismatic history, a rare error, or a valuable variety that's worth far more than its face value. Thank you for watching.